What's up guys? In this video I'll be doing a fringe wig tutorial. I'll be using a round wig cap without a ready-made closure in it. First I do is to place the wig cap on my dummy head. I make sure that I fix the wig cap properly on the dummy head. For the wigging I'll be using a two bundle of a blonde hair. At the back I'll be using a double strand of the hair. So with your needle and thread, tag the double strand of hair together before sewing it to the wig cap. You can tag the thread twice because this is the starting point of our wigging. This is to make the whole wigging to be firm, to be strong. If you have not actually learned how to make a wig properly, this is the right place for you, because this is a detailed way to make a wig. Follow the sewing line by line. I'm actually doing this at the bottom. The reason why I started this sewing at the bottom is a personal choice. Is to make the wigging to be full, to make the wig to be full. But if the weavon is not enough, if you notice that the weavon is not enough, you can start halfway the cap. You might notice that I've adjusted my wig cap. I did so to give me a perfect sewing, because in the other way it might be rumpled if I continue sewing that way. In my turning, I make sure that I'm flipping the thread over the needle twice. The reason why I'm doing this is to give me a tight sewing. At the middle, I might flip it once, but at the edge, I make sure that I'm flipping it twice. Please take note of this. I'm done sewing the first bundle, and if you've noticed, I've not actually turned the wigging over to the front to give me that French look. So with this one, we are going to achieve that French look. So keep watching. So with the last bundle, this is where I'm turning. I did not turn with the first bundle because if I had turned, it might make the face, the frame to be bushy. So we have to start with this one to give it a perfect front look.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
What I'm doing now is to sew in a circular motion till we approach to the end of this weaving.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it into her side.
So some part is a little bit scanty, but hopefully I'm making sure that I cover up the close sewing with double strand. Initially I was doing single strand at that center because of the fear of the weavon finishing before the sewing. take the bun and put in the piece of weavon and fill in the little opening in the wigging to give it a neat look. This is what it's all about.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized.
Now I'm done and everything looks a kind of bushy. The whole wigging looks a kind of bushy without definition. So what I will do now is to brush it to ease it for me to give me the definition I want before I start cutting. Brush everything, the front, the back, so you start cutting. Before you cut, what you're going to shake is the ear side. Start from the ear side to the other ear. Please, while cutting, be extremely careful. If possible, cut them match with your face or the person you want to make wig for, so you don't make mistake. We are done with the fringe part, and what I will do now is cut the down part to give it a blunt cut, a bob look wig. I'll cut it to make sure that everything is equal. That's why I'm starting at the up. If you've watched to this moment, thank you so much for watching, and I hope the video was helpful for you. Leave your comment on what you think about this video. Give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and for more updates. Now what I'm doing is to turn around, then cut the whole wig to give the look a blunt cut. See you in my next video. Bye.